So let's see what I can do with this. First time ever. Gloves. Just tuck my bracelet in so that doesn't get caught on anything. And here I go. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right. What I want to do now is try and work out what I'm going to do with a piece of wood. You know what? I'm going to let the wood talk to me. So I'm going to put you... Right. wore my chainsaw mask. Perfect. Didn't get anything in my eyes. Right. So, very first attempt at using the chainsaw for wood spirit. It's on a very, very old piece of wood. Oops, sorry, that was me kicking it. I really enjoyed that. Really, really enjoyed it. Look over all the crap we have everywhere. There. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my die grinder and just polish off the face a little bit more. Woohoo! Cool bananas. So let's put that there. Let's, bear with me. Right. Okay, so I'm going to use my die grinder. So we got the Makita DG800D, and in it I have a single cut burr. Ouch, I just squashed my finger. Right, let's see how I go. Again, I've not used my die grinder for anything either, so woohoo, exciting times. Right, where do I stand? I don't think that's going to work for me because it's going to fall backwards as soon as I put any pressure on it. So, maybe just lay it down like that. It's going to flip all over the place. Right, that should do it. Right. Wish me luck, guys. Well, that's, ooh, look at all that shit on there. Starting to spit with rain. Wash that down. Right, so this is a sphere and it's a tungsten carbide burr. Might not have pronounced that correctly. But anyway, let's see what I can do with these eyes. I like that burr. I like spears. I don't know why, they're just really lovely to use. still over on the big logs. Right. Whew. So guys, my very first chainsaw carving. It's very rough, but I'm so happy with it. He's come out really well. Yeah, it is very rough because I'm not used to using the chainsaw, I'm not used to using the die grinder, but I'm really happy with that. And that is going to sit proudly in my garden somewhere, either in the garden or on the wall. In fact, I might put it on the wall. Should we go and place him somewhere? Come on. Come with me. Come with me. I mean, a lot of my problem there was it was very hard with the workmate. It was very hard with the fact we have got so much crap everywhere. I'm going to pop him here. So here he is in his setting. Let me know in the comments what you think of my very first chainsaw carving and my very first time with the die grinder. And yeah, let me know. And I really enjoyed doing that. I really did. Need a lot more practice, but I'm really chuffed. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please feed me any comments. I love to hear your comments. I'm going to call him the Watcher because he's watching over our property. And yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think. And until then, happy carving.